Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about KFA2 GeForce RTX 4070 Super X gamer in pink and white trim. So friend, KFA2 announced its GeForce RTX 4070 Super X gamer graphics card in two new trims, pink and white, and the regular RTX 4070 Super X gamer the company launched in January comes in black. The pink trim involves bubblegum pink shade taking over the cooler shroud and metal backplate. Ditto with the white trim, and friend, the PCB underneath both cars remains black, but since the cooling solution drop off it must remain out of the sight when installed. Both cars feature frosted acrylic fan impellers with addressable RGB LEDs located in the fan hubs, and besides the illuminated fan, the GeForce RTX logo on the top of the card comes with RGB LED illumination, and both cards come with mobile app-based control for lighting, and this app talk to a service installed in your PC over the internet. We integrate with the graphics card, and much like the regular black RTX 4070 Super X Gamer, the two cards stick with NVIDIA-reference clock speed of 2475 MHz boost for the GPU and the 21 Gbps for the memory. And friend, both cards are priced at €679 including taxes and €20 premium over the regular Black EX gamer card. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.